Is it scary to write down your projected income and expenses for the first year of fashion startup?
Yes.
Mm. Two, yes.
It isn't the most fun job to do, admittedly, but I think it gives you a really clear indication of where your finances are at and where they could be at. And by doing it, you gain control. You gain control and a visible of what is happening in your business. Again, you see goals of when you start doing projections. And also I think it brings up, what if something happens, if there's an unforeseen circumstance or something out of your control, are you prepared for that? Initially, it could be a little bit scary, but once you do it, you actually feel more empowered with your business and where you're going to take it.
The cool thing about writing down your expenses is then you know what your income needs to be, and then you can start seriously thinking about, okay, I'm gonna have these expenses, so to at least break even, I know I've got to make this amount of income. And that also helps you determine your retail price and your profit margin, right? So yeah, it is scary, but it's critical to do it, to have confidence in your plan.
Right.
When I start with the first planning for income and expensive, I have daughter, I have client, so the income is fixed. I know what I get to do that order, but the expense will very risky because you start to invest in, and then there is a rising fee if you cannot control it. So it will be a lot, and then more than the income you can get. For me, for example, like for first time where I start to hire an office, a workshop, I plan to do it in the center, District 1, and when I find a very perfect place like 100 meters in the center, in the good price, only $400 per month.
Wow.
Was super good, but then after 1 month the landlord start to complain like, here's the building office, I have to move out. And then when you have to move out, mean that you have to pay for transport, you have to start to find another new, and then you need to pay deposit again. Yeah, so that is a lot of expensive. That's what's scary.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.